Hola, hello. I'm Virginia Versategui, ex-pro triathlete, ex-world champion. But first of all, I'm a woman, I'm a mom, and now more than ever, I know what is to be in your shoes. I know what is being from one place to another, not having time for myself, for ourselves. So that's why I would love to host you and to share with you a week here in the Basque Country from 6th to 11th of October. We have chosen a really charming place in the middle of the nature where we start every day relaxing with the yoga, gyrokinesis, and that we will follow exploring the nature by biking, hiking, but for me the most important thing, to share experiences. I know that all together we have a really strong energy that I would love that you share with me and with the big group that I'm sure that we will be here. So please hope to see you in October, and hope that we will have a nice experience, a lot of love, and a week full of energy together. So see you soon.